Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now go into Privacy over here and tap on Permission Manager. Then select one of your phone's features like Location and pick an app. I will go with Maps. Now select one of those options for this app. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back I can see that Maps gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select see all Maps permissions here, and manage all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!